Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Reddit. Join discussions and communities step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or launch the Reddit app on your phone. Go to Reddit.com if you are using a browser, or make sure the Reddit app is updated if you are on mobile. Check that your internet connection is working to avoid loading or login errors. Find the login button at the top right on desktop, or tap your profile icon and choose Login on mobile. Click or tap Login to open the sign-in screen. Choose whether you want to sign in with a username and password or with Google or Apple. If you already have a Reddit username, select the username and password option. Type your Reddit username or the email address linked to your account. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Use the Show Password icon if you want to confirm you typed it correctly. If you are on a shared computer, do not select Remember Me to keep your account private. Click or tap the Login button to sign in. If you see a security check or CAPTCHA, complete it to confirm you are not a bot. If Reddit asks for two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app or check your backup codes. Enter the 2FA code and submit it to finish signing in. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address and follow the password reset link that Reddit sends you. Return to the login screen and sign in again with your new password. Once logged in, confirm you see your avatar or username to verify you are in your account. Use the search bar to find topics you like, such as gaming, news, tech, or hobbies. Open a subreddit and tap Join to become a member of that community. Click a post to read it fully and view the comment thread. To participate, scroll to the comment box and type your message respectfully. Press comment or reply to publish your response in the discussion. Use the upvote and downvote buttons to rate content based on quality and relevance. Open your profile menu to adjust account settings like email, privacy, and notifications. If you want to stay signed in on your personal device, enable trusted device options only when appropriate. If you are finished, log out from the profile menu to protect your account on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.